Queen Victoria. We are all more or less familiar with this name, but her actual name was Alexandrina Victoria, was the Queen of United Kingdom and Great Britain and British India from 1837 until her death in 1901. She was the longest serving monarch of any royal family until Queen Elizabeth II surpasses her with a record of 69 years, which is still in progress, whereas her reign of 63 years and 7 months was longer than that of any of her predecessors. I will be grateful if you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing. Her coins saw a wide variety of security features. The coins minted from 1862 to 1876, the legend reads Victoria Queen. The legends become Victoria Empress from the date 1877 until 1901. The rupee coin has 3 distinct obverse designs, which can be identified by examining the panels of the front of the dress. In bust A, the front of the dress has 3 to 3/4 panels. In bust B, the front of the dress has 4 and 1/4 panels. And in bust C, the front of the dress has 3 1/2 or 3 1/3 panels. In this type C bust design, the flower of the right of the bottom panel has fewer leaves than the one in bust A. The coin has several reverse designs, which can most easily be identified by examining the flower at the very top of it. There appears to be many minor varieties. In reverse variety 1, the top flower is open with long curved petals, and the one in the date has a flat top. Reverse 2 variety, the top flower is closed, the one in the date has a slanted top. In reverse 2A variety, the variant of type 2 on a few 1862 rupees similar to type 2, but the flower buds above the E of 1 has a pineapple-like pattern. Reverse 3 variety, the top flower is half open, the one in the date has a flat top. The reverse 4 variety is slightly different in many areas, but the most recognizable difference is the lotus flower to the left of the date. The type 2 flower has 5 petals, while this type has 3 larger petals. Next is the mint mark. These coins were minted only in Calcutta and Bombay. There are 6 varieties in the mint mark. Those are: number 1, incuse C. Number 2 is incuse B normal. Number 3, incuse B inverted. Number 4, raised B. Number 5, raised B in hold. Number 6, dot mint mark, where B represents Bombay and C represents Calcutta. The Calcutta mint mark was represented by either no mint mark or by an incused letter C on the ornamental figure of the bottom of the coin. The Bombay mint is represented by an incused B or a raised B, usually on the flower like ornamental figure at the top in the coin. The engraver of the coin was William Wynne. The coin, which is in my collection, is a bust A obverse designed with a reverse 1 variety with a V incused, that is normal. The simple description of this coin: a crowned portrait of Victoria Empress surrounded by lettering, and on the reverse side the value and the date, below surrounded by a wreath. It was a standard circulating coin which weighs approximately 11.6 grams with the 91% silver content. The edges of this coin was reeded. This coin considered as one of the rare coin of British India. The price of this coin is around 1500 to 3000 Indian rupees. But there are some rare dates which can cost over 5000 Indian rupees, which is equals to 40 to 60 US dollars. And if you have this coin, then check out which obverse and reverse variety is carrying your coin and comment it down there.